Hello, welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching my video now. I go already make for you basmati rice with very nice way, not like the normal make it. This is different way for the basmati rice. We can see the recipe together. Like every time, this is a spoon. We have 1 spoon curcum, and we have something like quarter. This is a spoon black pepper. This is 1 very small onion, and 2 cardamom seed, and bay leaf, and here 1 maggi, and also quarter of this, like about your taste, how much you need salt. And this is 40 gram pine nuts, and we already go make. This is basmati rice and this oil. We already go take 250 gram. We make it. This is the scale. You need to use glass, because also you use the same one. You need to use the same one for the water. This is 250 almost. Yeah, you take it, wash it, rinse it with the water. Only do it like that, and now this is more than enough. You take the water out. I think more easy. I do like that. Okay. Now already I wash it. I can do this in here like that. And you take the oil, to a little bit oil in, something like 3-4 spoons. And start to the onion inside. and pick the onion. Yeah, I bake it little and I come back. This is already, I bake it for 2 minutes, something like that. And start to do the curcum in and the black pepper and the Maggi and the salt and also everything. Only the nuts not. You need to bake everything together nice. Very good. Gonna start do the nuts in. If you not have nuts, you can make it without, yeah. This is too easy rice and taste super nice. And please, everyone watch me now. After make this rice, you can already leave for me comments and tell me, write for me what, how this going with you. Is nice, it's not nice. And please not forget, when you watch me, if you look down in the right side, you see the subscribe. You can push it for me and also do for me like, because this is help my channel and can make me continue with you for more dishes. Okay, we go with Basmati. This is super easy, not difficult. I try make this for you very easy, and this also not take time. And you start to make the fire a little bit, not too hot. You remember the glass we did the rice in it? The same glass we already do 1 glass rice. We need to do 2 glass water. The same size, the same glass. I now do, this is first glass. The next glass. Okay, we already wait when this cooked. This is after 10 minutes. I leave it after this is start cooked. I leave it something like 2 minutes cooked with inside the water, and after that I did very small fire and I leave it for 10 minutes. Now this look like that. Okay, we go see how this go work. I leave it something like 5 minutes more. Okay, now this is after 5 minutes extra. This is now done. This is very nice. This is typical like the restaurant make it. And also I not do the lid for the pan. You leave it open. This not like the normal rice. Okay, now I go serve it in okay, this is after I finish. This is look like that, and this tastes very nice. And bon appetit. And not forget to support my channel please with like and subscribe. And also, yeah, this is down the video in the right side. You have the subscribe, and I see you next dish. Bye bye.